Karnataka, how is it that rules are different in these states compared to what happened in the center? If it was about accountability, if it was about transparency, and if it was about the students' cause, why is the opposition not walking the talk?
First of all, I want to clear that there is no paper leak in Punjab. Some instances of cheating, for example, in one university, in one center, the few students are doing cheating by using modern pens or modern gadgets. It cannot be compared with paper leak. Similar was the position when PPSC exam has been claimed by BJP, whereas Honorable Punjaban High Court Justice Harpreet Singh Barad has clearly laid a judgment that there was no paper leak in Punjab. 21st January 2026. 21st January. Kindly
So there
read
will
the
be
judgment.
accountability only if there is a paper leak. If there is a cheating scandal, there is no accountability. Is that what you're saying?
Allegations have been created by the BJP. Kindly let me speak, Pratibha. You have given so much time to others. Kindly give me 2 minutes only. One thing. Now my learned friend Jasmine is saying that the parliament is for discussions, but during the period of 2009 to 2014, 61% time of the parliament was stopped by the BJP by stalling the parliament in Lok Sabha, and 66% time in Rajya Sabha. The opposition parties are here to protect the democracy, to raise the voice against the government. Government is not the master of the country. Government is not the owner of the country. They are not the owner of the country. Whatever they are saying is to be considered as a gospel truth. We are here to raise the voice for the people, for the democracy. And what we are doing is the same thing. Second thing is, the BJP has not taken a strict action against the police officers till date who have brutally beaten the students. The BJP has not withdrawn all the FIRs against the students. The BJP has lost its faith. BJP is what there is a say that people may doubt what you say, but they always believe what you do. But BJP is doing totally different, totally adverse, totally opposite what it has said. This is the actual reason that why the opposition parties are raising the voice for the democracy, are raising the voice.
Okay, so Shaina, is there merit in what the opposition is saying?